just celebrated 100 years of research, education, and support for heart health. And of course, a big part of the mission is based on a healthy diet. Now the centennial edition of their cookbook is out with 800 heart-healthy recipes. 100 of them are brand new. You have no excuse any longer to eat healthy with this book. Chef Daniel Green is here to share one of the recipes with us. Hey man, how you doing?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you as well, as always.
Well,
what are you cooking up?
One of the 800 recipes. The AHA I've been involved with about 10 years. And it's all about awareness. You know, most important is to know your numbers when you have your blood pressure taken. Yep. Every gala that we kind of host and we do has got a different theme. A lot of it is about CPR, that it raises the chance of survival 3 times.
Wow.
So there's lots of things, but a lot of people get very bored, don't they, when they feel they've got to eat healthy?
Well, it's not just eating healthy, but it's being disciplined with those things and just monitoring the blood pressure and cholesterol levels, etc.
Exactly.
But once you learn, as you guys always teach us, that you can eat healthy and taste really good.
That's what I want to do. So I found one
key.
recipe in here, which was all about a Korean dish, bibimbap, which is kind of all rice and lots of flavor.
What is it?
Bibimbap.
Bibimbap,
It's
okay.
a mix of rice and you have all these kind of vegetables that go on. Now, traditionally, you'd get a white rice, probably a sushi grade rice. But this is going to be a brown rice, which is the reason why it's in the AHA book. So again, you don't get that spike in sugar level. It's a really good rice and grain for you, can help reduce cholesterol as well. And if that's the only compromise, then you've got a great dish going on.
Very cool. What's,
Okay.
How do we make?
Oh, the other thing is lean beef. So again, look for that leaner, 90+%. You're going to get leaner beef, which is not going to change the flavor, but it's going to be much better on that saturated
Oh, and I
fat.
love that you're actually browning the ground beef.
Really
It
nice
is
and
being-
brown.
Yeah, Maillarded. It smells better. It tastes better.
Then we've got a little bit of sesame oil.
Okay.
You know, there's a few oils like avocado oil, olive oil, good for you. Touch of toasted sesame is going to give some really lovely flavor.
Oh, it
isn't
smells so
Isn't
good.
that
It looks beautiful,
And
too.
then there is this.
Is that ginger? What is this?
Gochujang sauce. This
Oh,
is the
gochujang.
Korean.
Oh,
so
yeah.
a little bit of
Money.
that Korean chili sauce.
Money.
That has got a little bit of sweetness in it. So it's going to get all caramelized and beautiful.
And you don't need much. That
You
stuff
need-
spreads
yeah,
very well.
You have to kind of be a little delicate, and then you can always put it as a side dish after. In Korea, they normally serve an extra little packet of sesame oil and then that gochujang sauce on top, which is just lovely. And then you've got to have a little fried egg on it as well, so when you crack it open, it all goes into the sauce.
It's looking perfect.
So what we'll do,
Okay, you got your brown rice, you
Put
got
the-
your carrots, you got your mushrooms.
mushrooms I cooked up a little bit earlier, and then we're going to do a very heart-healthy dish that hopefully you don't feel you're compromising in any way. Get a couple of scallions going on that, because you always want some nice color on top of everything. And again, it's kind of just breaking away from, I remember, actually one of my first cookbooks was Health Eating for Lower Cholesterol.
Yeah.
And we didn't go out the box very much. You know, people were told about very bland food when you were trying to be careful.
Yeah,
of
you
that.
don't have to do that.
Don't at all. Some crunchy bean sprouts is going to go on there as well. All these ingredients from local grocery stores.
Oh, so
Nothing's
good.
hard to get.
Throw the
Nothing's
egg
gonna
on?
be
How'd you do on the
difficult.
egg?
The egg, we just did a little bit
Look
of
at
oil.
this. Oh, it's the, come on now. Let's go, Daniel.
How long have I got?
Bang, he's the man. Over easy.
Okay, yeah, just do a little bit because we want to have a little bit of a crack on there. So as
Come on
you
in, guys.
dig into it,
We're so excited.
Yeah, this is great. This is great. That's what I love about, seriously, that's what I love about this show is we always have these healthy meals on that taste so good.
a little bit there.
Very good, Daniel.
A few more scallions.
All right.
Dig in and enjoy.
Well, we're gonna dig in during the break here, but this recipe and 799 more, take your pick, in the New American Heart Association Cookbook, Centennial Edition. You can find it wherever books are sold. And we got a link for you at KARE11.com. Thank you, Daniel.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.